Barely. See, I'm trying to swatch. It's not coming up. Are you seeing that? It's like, let's try this again. Swatch. Going to swatch Jamaica. Barely. Are you guys seeing that? Let's try chai. I don't know. Hi guys, my name is Reika. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with another video. If you don't already know, Colourpop recently came out with their newest collaboration with Karrueche, which is their brown sugar collection. So as the name brown sugar suggests, this collection features a host of warm, earthy, brown and neutral tones, and the moment I saw all the marketing and promo for this collab, I knew I definitely wanted to grab something from it. So I actually ended up grabbing the eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. It features 9 pigments and I think it retails somewhere around $12–13. I love a good brown on the eyes and I wanted to test this palette out to see if I would enjoy the colors that are included. So yes, that's what this video is about. I'm going to be giving you my first impressions on this palette. So with that being said, let's jump right into the review. So as I mentioned before, this is basically what the eye palette looks like. I really like the packaging. It's giving me kind of like a brown camo kind of vibe. And then the palette itself looks like this. It's brown and then it has flecks of glitter in it as well. The palette includes a mirror. These are the 9 shades and then the name of each shade is on the front. Pretty much what you can expect when you purchase a palette from Colourpop. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch each of the colors for you, and from left to right, the first one here, which is Chai. The next shade, Jamaica. The next shade is Amber, followed by Ginger, which is one of the shimmer shades. The next one is Auburn, followed by the shade Saute. Then we have Sorrel, Henna, and we finish that up with the final color, final pigment, which is Chalk. So those are the 9 shades in the palette. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna do a little demo of this palette for you so you guys can see how it looks on the eyes, and then I'll come back and give you my thoughts and opinion on this palette. So we're up close and personal. Alright, so I don't really have like a set look in mind. I'm just gonna play around with the colors and see what I come up with. So the first shade I'm going to be starting out with on my eyes is the shade called Chai. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this all over the eyes. I think I'm gonna next go over top of that with the shade Jamaica. So I want to deepen up the eyes a little bit more, so I'm actually going to try this shade Sorrel here and put that into the crease just to get it a bit more brown. I must say guys, this palette does get a bit messy as you use it. There is a bit of fallout with some of the colors, so if that's a pet peeve for you, just putting that out there. I don't really care either way as long as I'm getting the payoff on my eyelids. So yeah, I'm just gonna go into the shade called Chalk Hair and just work that on the outer edge. So I'm going to pack it on. Then I'm just gonna put the ginger shimmer on top. Alright, so I'm just about done doing my eyes with this palette, so I'm just going to finish up the rest of my face and I'll come back with my final opinions. This is the finished face. How do I look? Give you a close-up on the coming on the eyes for you. This is what the eyes are looking like. What do I think of the brown sugar palette? Well, I definitely don't hate this palette, but I'm also not in love with this palette either. I think I was expecting a little bit more from the shades in this palette. I found the colors to be not as pigmented as I imagined or was expecting them to be. I feel like I have to work a little bit harder with the colors in this palette to get it to show up on me. Like I have other palettes in my collection that allows me to achieve this look with, I believe, better color payoff. I feel like they could have added another shade of brown, something more chocolatey, I guess. I feel like this palette could have used a darker brown to bring everything together, but hey, that's just my opinion. This is like perfect for traveling and it doesn't hurt that it has a mirror, so that's a plus. And also, if you're like a super beginner when it comes to like eye makeup and doing eye looks like that, I think you might like something like this. Sometimes I get overwhelmed looking at a palette that has more than 5 or so shades. I don't know where to start, I don't know which colors to use, where to put them, so a palette like this I think is perfect for somebody starting out. I'll probably wear this palette again, but I feel like if you already have warm and neutral tone palettes in your collection, you can pass on this. So I don't feel like this is something that you need to go out of your way to grab. Like I mentioned, I don't hate this palette, I'm just not blown away by it. That's basically how I feel about this palette. You don't have to take my word for it. You can definitely go out and try this one if you like. If you've already tried this palette, I would love to know what you think of it. Leave me a comment down below. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this review, and if it's your first time here and you like what you see, please do hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on as well so you never miss a upload from me. As always guys, I feel like I say as always all the time, but honestly speaking, I really do appreciate you guys sticking around and watching my videos. It means so much to me, and yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.